Hello guys, welcome back to another Forex video. Today I'll be doing analysis on the Forex pair for upcoming week, which is going to be from the 5th to 9th of May 2025. But before I go into the analysis, I would like to show you the trade we took this week that just ended. There were two trades and they were all both wins. So let's go through it. I have CHF JPY. And I was saying something about price coming back to this daily area of interest. Then I was projecting price should move then to close above, to make a new higher high for us to continue buying CHF JPY. So on this line of the price, I caught a buy there. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So this was the price action I saw here. I first saw this price action. I see price closing above here, giving a market structure shift. So I was interested in buying from here, but price didn't give me the confirmation I needed to buy from that zone. So I stayed away from the market. Then I waited for price to continue breaking to the upside. So I spotted this break to the upside. Then I scaled down to my entry time frame. So on my entry time frame, I saw this tiny shift of market structure. So I was waiting for price to close above this red candle, but as you can see, price came and then closed above it. Then immediately I placed my buy limit order here. Then you can see price came and tapped in sniper entry, then went to our direction, but I closed up this trade at 1.7 RR, then immediately closing the trade for 1.7 RR. The trade smashed the full TP, but I wasn't so confident on the trade because of this whole structure over here, because the structure here wasn't that convincing enough. But I had to take the trade because the whole week I was going through the whole week, Monday, Tuesday, with no trade. So I was like, this is a trade opportunity for Wednesday, let me take it. Then I took it. It went to the direction. Then I think the next trade was USD CHF. Let me see. So on USD CHF was the same thing. So I saw the daily time frame broke above, then having a retest. So I was convinced of buying that will be going to the upside. So on the 1 hour time frame, I saw price break above. I saw price give this shift of structure here. Then I was like, okay, if I have a pullback to this zone over here, I will buy. But as you can see, price never came back. So I scouted for a new shift of structure, which was this over here. Price closed above. Then I waited for the retest, then went to my entry time frame. Then I saw this shift of structure, then waited for the retest, market structure shift, retest, then 1 to 2 risk to reward hit. So that was the trade I had for this week. So going into the new week, I have a CHF JPY starting from the daily time frame. As you can see, the price action is still bullish. We closed beautifully to the upside. So the target is to continue pushing, because the daily time frame is overall bullish. So what am I going to do? Same price like this, I'll go to the 1 hour time frame. Of course, I'm going to be buying. So this is the last the highest point of the 1 hour time frame we have gotten to. So what I'll be waiting for to continue buying the market is to close above, retest, then continue buying. By then I think this might act as the 1 hour support zone, So this is exactly what I will be waiting for CHF JPY. It's very clean and simple. A breakout retest, then we buy. Then the next pair is GBP JPY. Then on the daily, finally GBP JPY has finally came back to the daily zone, which is the lower high, then to make the new lower low if the price is willing to push down, because we have been on this lower low for a very long time. Then we're anticipating for the new lower high, which was this push. Then now what we'll do, we'll wait for confirmations to make a new lower low. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see price has already started shifting structure, because we had higher high, higher low, higher high structure, then we have a lower low. So I'll be waiting for a new lower high. It can be here, it can be here. What I just want is a new lower high to have a new lower low, so that I can sell maybe from here again. So continue selling with the 1 hour and also in line with the EMA. Okay, so that is for GBP JPY. We have to take the sell continuation. So after GBP JPY, I have AUD JPY. So AUD JPY is similar. We had a lower low, then we have a lower high, so we should be anticipating for a new lower low. So what we'll be expecting is, on the 1 hour time frame, we need to wait for a clear shift of structure. Like we need to shift structure, then alongside with the EMA, then we can continue to sell AUD JPY. It's that easy. We need to wait for a proper confirmation before we can start selling AUD JPY. Then we have USD CHF. So USD CHF, as you can see, I still need a little bit more of a push on USD CHF. We need to maybe break above, then retest to continue buying. Then let's check the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, price has already retested the daily zone. So what I want to see is a push to the up, but on the 1 hour time frame, what I'm seeing here is different, because this was the last low here. As you can see, price has shifted bearish on the 1 hour, leaving a sort of demand zone, a supply here. So what I'll be expecting is for price to tap here, then to go down. Then if price does otherwise by maybe closing above this area of interest, then we can continue buying USD CHF. So these are the two-way scenario on the USD CHF. The 1 hour is bearish, so I'll be looking to sell, but if it does otherwise, then I'll just continue to buy with the daily time frame because of the shift of structure. And why again I'm focusing on either buying or selling is because of this EMA that is above the daily time frame. It shows that the sell pressure is still in this market. So on the 1 hour time frame, if I am to sell, I don't think I'm wrong. I'm not wrong, because the structure obviously is only giving a sell movement. As you can see, this was a low, lower high, and lower low. So the rules is a new lower high to form a new lower low. So that is why I'm on the two ways on the market. So these are the pairs I'll be trading for the week. These are the 4 pairs, because obviously these are the pairs that have been giving us back-to-back wins. So I see no reason to move away from what is working. Rather stick to what is working, and let's make much as we can from this market. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Drop a comment of what you think about the analysis, and see you next time.